there anything else we want to talk about, or what?
No, yeah, we're good, man. We're just fucking off now.
Damn, I couldn't shoot it down. I was really hoping that would bring it down. What's the engine at now, good?
No.
You motherfucker!
Well, I got one.
I got this. Hold on, gentlemen. Well, might as well get my GL practice in.
Yeah, I'll get down on the ground. Holy shit!
Oh shit!
Easy money.
Oh shit, dude! That was fucking. That was too good. Oh shit!
What happened?
I think I just got flashbacks to that time when Bomb tried setting off a supply cache in Vietnam. And
Careful! Careful! He's Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Oh,
Welcome back, good. How was your flight?
We're gonna try that again.
You clipped us, bro. Fucking knocked us out. Those fucked up.
We're gonna try this again and it's gonna work out.
I don't believe you.
Just don't shoot me when as soon as I fucking go to take off though.
Do a durability
Hang on, let me
test.
see if
40
I
Mike
can
Mike
jump off.
gets F-35.
Fuck, weapon jam. He ain't got enough speed. Oh no, he does! Holy shit!
Oh damn, he actually took off.
Yeah, she had enough speed. Holy shit! I get the helicopter off here.
Nice.
Bro, that was amazing. Did you see that?
No, I was literally in the bottom of the ocean.
Oh, dude, I just skidded that helicopter. I basically got out as it was sliding across the thing.
I'm gonna hop off, gentlemen. Y'all have a great night.
Alright, buddy.
Miss! Reloading.
Alrighty, buddy, I'm gonna shoot you out of the sky with a Maz. Well, Jameson has a stinger, so
Hey, be quiet!
never mind.
Don't let him know. Why'd you let him know that?
How many M112s would it take to sink a destroyer?
A fucking lot.
How many laws would it take? Is the better question.
Let's see.
Look, this thing has AMAX rounds, so it explodes.
As one.
We're gonna be here for a while, guys.
Eight.
Oh, I like that spiraling shot. Pretty cool. Whoa! Holy shit! I don't know what the fuck happened there. It went wild. Oh, that was real fucking short.
Bruh. There we go.
You figuring out how to set it up?
Yeah.
Is it actually thinkable, or are we just fucking around?
Oh, I'll see. Alright, so we gotta have these rounds.
Fire for effect. Let's see if we can take off and fucking. I probably can't because I don't know how to fly the helicopter in this. Alright. Oh fuck! How the fuck did that happen? What the fuck happened there?
Oh, nice. I can attach them.
What is it, fucking Battlefield? Make a suicide craft?
Yeah, dog.
Alright, so what's your plan?
Yeah, I'm just gonna make a fucking hot suicide bomber.
You want some TNT?
Hell yeah, give me everything.
Yeah, put it in your bucket. That way you can arm all together. Trying to treat you. Open back. Here, take a 400-pound gram thing of TNT, and here, take some Tylenol charges.
Nice.
If 400 gram doesn't do it, I don't know what will. So, this is so fucking. This is so stupid in its own way. So stupid in its own fucking way. well, I didn't do anything to it, but God, did it look good.
Not a fucking scratch, eh?
Nope.